Hi guys, Nick here, and today the other Blu-ray unboxing. First I'm going to be doing an unboxing for a movie called Anaconda, and I did my reaction video to the official trailer, and we say it might be pretty funny. Then we got all of the characters on the front of the case, along with the giant snake on the top. And on the bottom it says the funniest movie of the year. And here's the back of the case. Right here it says Jack Black and Paul Rudd are hilarious throughout. And like I said in my official trailer reaction, these two are two of the funniest actors that I've seen in my opinion. It also has some special features in here. And if you enjoyed today's unboxing, make sure to give this video a like and comment. And if you're new to the channel, and want to see more videos like unboxing, reactions, reviews, and also gameplay, and other stuff that I do here on the channel, and make sure to press the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss out on any new upload that I'm going to be uploading here onto the channel, including my once a week live streams. And I also got a other channel, Ninja Master Nick, which is still currently trying to get that one up to 1,000 subscribers. So also make sure to give that channel a sub, which that channel is currently at 911 at the time of me recording this. And also share this video with everybody now. Now let's take the plastic off and you see what the Blu-ray looks like. And I got the plastic off. Let's take a look at the inside of the Blu-ray case. And here's what the Blu-ray disc looks like. It's just a bigger version of what it looks like on the back right here. With Jack Black and Paul Rudd just being covered up by Anaconda's body here. And that is going to be it for today's Anaconda Blu-ray unboxing. Like, comment, and subscribe. And turn on the notification bell if you're new. And more videos will be coming into our channel soon. And I will see you guys in my next video. And peace.